Welcome back to Biology News. Today we have a developing story on the incoming storm heading towards the cytoplasm.
Let's send it over to Grace with more information.
As of right now, the storm is passing over the cytoplasm, where two strikes of lightning, ATP, have just struck the glucose, splitting them and energizing them. Two electron raindrops are falling from the energized glucose clouds. These electrons are accepted by NAD positive, creating two NADH carriers, causing the storm to expand. The phosphates that were added are now removed, and the energy creates four ready to strike ATP lightning bolts.
But you can't have a storm without thunder.
That's right, Ashley. As a result of all of these intense reactions happening in the sky, a loud boom occurs, producing two 3-carbon molecules called pyruvates. Let's head to Jillian, who is on the scene in the mitochondria.
As you can see, tons of oxygen is blowing here in the mitochondria, allowing aerobic respiration to occur. The loud thunder that was just heard moments ago has allowed one pyruvate to pass through the mitochondrion's outer compartments and into the inner matrix. It looks like this has triggered the beginning of a tornado. But before the tornado can fully form, each pyruvate must lose a carbon atom, which can then be caught by the O2, forming CO2. Further electrons have transferred to NAD positive, making two more NADH carriers. The enzyme CoA, now called acetyl CoA, that can be found in the tornado, is brought to the Krebs cycle, where it joins a 4-carbon molecule. As a result of this tornado, a 6-carbon molecule called citric acid is formed. The carbons are being thrown everywhere here in the matrix, but good thing they are being caught by the O2, becoming CO2.
Once again, these electrons are transferred to NAD plus and FAD, making 3 NADH and 1 FADH2. The high winds from the tornado recharge an ADP into another ATP lightning strike.
The cycle repeats. For a second pyruvate.
Now over to Grace for sports, joining us from the inner membrane of the mitochondria.
Hi, so today, Team Electron Transport Chain, also known as Team ATP Maker, is playing in the Cell Respiration Bowl against Team Glycolysis. Let me tell you how the day has been leading up to this big game. The game day started out with two very excited party buses, the FADH2 and NADH, transferring the electron fans to the mitochondrion inner membrane stadium.
Once these electron fans arrive, all electron fans had to go through the turnstiles of ion pumps, which made the energy level go way up. This pumps the H plus fans up to the upper level known as the outer compartment. However, the electron fans are sad because the other team got a touchdown, so they joined together with their friend oxygen and their two friends hydrogen to form H2O.
This same process repeats when the FADH2 bus arrives and the other hydrogen ion fans are sent to the outer compartment.
However, after halftime, the majority of the hydrogen fans leave and diffuse back through the ATP synthase stores. The energized enzyme then gives some of his energy to the tired ADP to make lots of ATP fans.
Wow, that's an awesome story. And that concludes our sports broadcast for the day. Now back to the anchors.
That concludes our news story for today.
Thank you for tuning in. Join us next time on Biology News.